The antlion species lives up to its name. They are an ant-like congruence of organisms with aggressivity akin to that of the most ferocious lions. The antlion race, first seen on Earth as opposed to Zen, although it is obviously assumed that that is their origin point, is intent on consuming everything that it comes across and terraforming the environments it tramples along the way. The most common form of antlion is the antlion soldier. It is quite an odd specimen considering most earthly insect colonies have workers as their most common unit. This may, however, be the result of Gordon's intrusion, sparking a much higher presence of soldiers to thwart his presence. The antlion soldier is a quadrupedal insectoid around the height of the average human. As opposed to something like an ant on Earth, an antlion's body features no thorax and only has a head and abdomen. Interestingly, their leg structure is inverted in a way. Their hind legs extend from the back of their abdomen, and their forelegs vice versa, extending from the near transition point between the abdomen and the head. Adding to the oddities of the antlions, they have no eyes. This suggests that the environment that the antlions developed in completely lacks or has very little light, as most insects on Earth at least had the evolutionary benefit of some kind of compound eye. The antlions may have developed on a planet far from its sun, with an optimal form of soil for them to tunnel around in. However, while this may be the case, the antlion's developed exoskeleton is green in color. This evolutionary trait suggests that the antlions needed some form of color camouflage, which in turn suggests that where they developed has some form of light. A potential solution to this minor paradox is that the color was widely adopted for some kind of mating advantage, or there may have been a major predator on their planet of origin which developed sight before they did, thus forcing natural selection to choose the most optimally colored antlions to survive. This is major speculation. What we do know, however, is that the antlion soldier has also developed the ability to fly. There are two pieces of its exoskeleton which can be opened at will, and upon doing so, reveal a small set of wings, similar to beetles on Earth, which may also be an evolutionary indicator of the major predator theory I mentioned earlier. The antlion's mouth, as far as I can tell, may be a form of inverted proboscis, one that functions with the small teeth around it. These may help the antlion latch on to any prey or food and eat it, although it is unclear.